Hey, I made a bracket for my Innovv K5 for the rear camera, the 1080p camera, to go on the right hand side arm of the TailTidy by Evotech. That's the bottom part and the top part, and yeah, they just sort of go on top of each other. And then I use a heavy duty zip tie to keep it together, and I left a little space underneath the bracket for the zip tie to go through. So just riding the brand right perfectly vertical as much as possible, so the image is nice and leveled, and it just sits in the bottom part, and then top part just goes on top of it, and that's it. That's all what it looks like. I designed it in 3D, and then 3D printed it, and used some acetone being ABS, made it a little shiny. And yeah, I left a little gap at the bottom for the wire, for the cable to go through, the indicator cable to go through, and then just slides pretty snag on the arm there. Just for extra security, I just made I've designed a bit of a nut and bolt thingy. So the nut goes, it's just a square nut, goes into its slot there, and then the bolt obviously from the other side. There's two diameters there, 1, 2, just for the bolt to go through, and then at the end of the where this bolt goes through, the first half of it has got a larger diameter for the end of the bolt to hide in the snug. I should have used the hand there. It's pretty high risk that you're gonna crack that plastic. It's ABS, but a power tool is never good for a thin plastic to use. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Just sits there. That's the heavy duty zip tie, that just for additional security there. But as you probably saw, the top part of it is shaven. It's shaved flat towards the back left, just so it sits against the right there. It sits against the top part nicely, and the cable, you can just see it there. It sort of goes from the back of the camera just about 4 centimeters. It goes up through the TailTidy up under the seat, and yep, this is what it looks like. I think it came out quite good, especially I don't see the cable at all now, which before I had it just hanging at the bottom corner of the license plate, and yeah, it didn't look quite right. So yeah, this is the view from it from that height. Yeah, that's it.